Artists astound with AI-generated film stills from a parallel universe.
Huh.
Go ahead. AI cinema movement, hashtag. Interesting. This is our future. Everyone looks like that in our future movies. And this is a still series called Vinyl Vengeance, created using Midjourney. A group of artists has been using an AI image generator, yes, Midjourney, to create still photos of films that don't exist. They call the trend AI cinema. Okay, so what do you think that movie's about right there?
This is an indie flick.
Yeah.
This woman, I think it might be like a love, like a cute love.
Are you in love, Will?
Movie.
Are you in love? Is that what you're telling us? Okay.
They meet at like a vinyl record store.
But why are the vinyls in the back? Why are they so weird?
They're just portraits.
Yeah, why are they so weird looking?
It almost feels like a Wes Anderson film.
The color.
Yeah, the style.
Yes.
Everything's really symmetrical.
Yes.
Perspective, yeah.
Go on, Will. Yes.
I think it's an A24 film. That's what it is.
Okay, let me see a couple more. I presume we've got to post a couple more of these things over here. Here we go. Ooh. This movie's called Super Advanced Monkeys. Look at these. You like these or no, Will?
I would be interested to watch it if it's AI generated.
I don't like... I love skulls in general. But these two I don't like as much as the next two. Like, that's pretty
crazy.
good.
It has some sort of like godlike
Jewelry.
Yeah.
That's pretty good, Will. Will, come on. He's got a little chin hair there. He's still somewhat organic.
Yeah, like a soldier.
Come on, Will. You might watch a film like that.
I don't mind it.
You might
Not
sign
bad.
up to watch something like that. Oh, what's this film about?
Oh my God, that looks real.
That looks real, doesn't it? To see the film grain on there. Yeah. Hashtag AI cinema. Look at that. Oh, God. Powerful AI generated images here. This one's called La Dolce Vita. So this is supposed to be in Italy, obviously. Girl's about to go down the hill on her bike. It gives you a little glimpse into the eventual.
The legs.
Will, hey, Will,
what?
you better watch it there, Will. Don't get to pointing. I know how you get. Go to the next one. Yeah, look, what's this one called? Oh, they're all called La Dolce Vita. They're just part of the series of this movie that never happened. This looks pretty real. How's the hand? Do you like the hand as well?
Yeah.
Not a bad hand. The ring is on the right finger too.
This finger's a bit thick.
Hey,
compared to this one.
Hey there, bud.
Well, you asked me.
Don't you go pooping on it. All right.
This one is real. This is the creator, right?
No, she actually chose to AI generate that as well.
Really?
No, I'm kidding.
No. Okay, yeah.
These are cool. No, come on, Will.
They're very like indie.
This film is called what? Oh, they don't have a name for this film. You have to come up with the name. What's this film called? Right here.
Gothic
Thunder.
Explosion.
Gothic Thunder.
Okay.
It's the sequel to It's the indie version of Tropic Thunder.
Okay.
It's called Gothic Thunder.
Okay. Yeah, the was it the filter or the color grading really gets like it makes it real. It makes it look like a film. Like even the sun here, the rays with the lens flare.
Talk to me, Will.
Mo would appreciate this.
Oh, Mo, Mr. Cinema.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a few samples. You can go look through it yourself, but yeah, I mean, it's just in that
That's
same
cool.
AI category of stuff getting good and atmosphere. And look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. See, this works in sci-fi. It works so well because if there are discrepancies, you can blame them on sci-fi. Like if over here you're like, well, why do they have the same mouth? It's like, I don't know, they're slightly off, but like they're symmetrical, but not. Like even if you look at the mirror behind them in between their heads, it's not an oval or a sphere.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like triangular.
It's
here.
weird. But the weirdness you could attribute to something being slightly off about that science fiction world.
Uh-huh.
This one's called When we fall asleep, where do we go?
Oh, hopefully not here.
Hi, can we help you? How can we help you? Will's like,
Get me out of here.
Yeah.
Cool.
We might grab you by the chin over there, hey? Pull you in close, Will.
Oh, God.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.